nani?
Festus Ibanga.
DJ Justo, the DJ who makes your mama twerk. It's DJ Litmus.
Ameunda track ya mama yangu.
DJ Justo, the DJ who makes your mama twerk.
She makes my mama twerk. Anaitwa DJ
Festus Ibanga.
You can be my
oh baby.
It's DJ Litmus. www.djlitmus.co.ke.
bad girl, you can be my baby mama.
DJ Justo.
You for the sound, your body language, from the down, private jet with the flight to Bahama. Flat tummy chains on your waist, fire. You better than my ex. I set the room party, you can be my guest. I wanna feel like you when I'm fine.
Naweka wapi hiki kitu nikilala? Ya nakamwa makamu. Ya kuuma wewe. Wewe fungua.
Festus Ibanga.
Lamba.
Amba chukua.
Analamba nyinyi, analamba nyodo.
Neno unafanya na lamba pombe. Wala kunywa pombe. Akifika tu hapa na piga tachi na malizamo hivi. Hayeni inaumiza hivyo dakika zote.
Kavuka nje ya nyumba.
Nakutani hivyo gonga hapa makucha hivi.
Kavuka nyumba ya nyumba.
Sasa tunauza hii na vile header was.
Kadaanza mpaka nje ya gate ba.
Manujo Kenya.
DJ Justo, the Litmus Tennis. Contact 074
Ulivaa shati ya wa Nigeria.
This is called vintage.
What is the vintage?
Vintage is a particular shirt that is worn by the people who are vintage.
What? People what?
Who are vintage?
Who is the vintage?
I'm the vintage boy. I'm the vintage boy. This one is called a checked board. You are a plain nylon, and this is a floral shirt. I'm a bantu. A floral shirt, a plain nylon. This one is a checked board, and this is a vintage. So
This is a sign of riches.
the old one out is a plain nylon, followed by a checked board.
This is a
Followed by I will tell you the
Tell me now.
followed by a floral boy.
Who is the floral boy?
That one.
This one is a politician.
I said this one. This one vintage.
This one is a man who
What about the other one?
drives a Subaru.
This one is a checked board. Look at the way the shirt is bisected with color. And look at that one. It's a plain nylon. A nomadic pattern is a foolish bow. That one.
Girl, when you bubble like a trouble, why you give me this something now? Turn it around and bring it. You're pressing it back and I don't never push back. But
When I know where we them and my dad is going
once you broke out and bring it.
So you need me.
I taken this screwdriver. I wanted to go and drive somewhere.
Shit, this just got real.
I wanted to go and drive them to this place. They are very lucky. I changed my mind. I'm now using your mind. I changed my mind. I'm using yours. usitani